You got 14 bricks right there?
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this video, don't mind if I do. What is it?
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Alright, yo, before we get into this vid. Alright, so y'all already know what this video is about. I don't know what I'm gonna title it.
So it don't exist.
But by the time this video is uploaded, y'all gonna know what this video is about. But anyway, man, as of right now, I am waitlisted on the Origin joint. Shout out to Julio though. You got a 10.5. Pause, all right? It's just too much of a hassle for me to be swapping sizes. So yeah, as of right now I'm waitlisted, but I already know what that means. You know what I'm saying? You better rock me to sleep. Like, yeah, it's just.
Hello.
I did win the Frozen Yellows, but that ain't it for me. I don't want them. You know what I'm saying? Just wanted to see. I was in my mind, I was like, yeah, maybe I should wait until the damn Origins drop. So if I don't win them, so to feel like I'd be like, nah, he got them, he good, you know. But I don't know, didn't work out that way. And those Mocha 3s, I wasn't into them in 2001. And I think the reason was because, y'all remember homie, I told y'all, yeah, it's gonna be two stories here. Y'all remember homie that I told y'all about, he tried to stick his feet in those the Air Force Ones, the mid joints, and they were like, nah. He had them, he ain't rock them right. So to me, they just wasn't really it for me, you know what I'm saying? Funny story about boy and them 3s. I did actually acquire those 3s though back in 2001. This is how this happened. So yeah, that was my homie at the time. I had an apartment, and you know, if y'all new to the channel, this is what I do. I tell stories and I want to be relatable, but all my stories are true.
Oh, I doubt that.
I had an apartment at the time. It was a flop house. Matter of fact, that was the name of the apartment. Flop House 98. That was the name of the apartment. I don't think, I probably spent 1 or 2 nights in that apartment by myself. My homeboys, they be on the floor. Like one would have the couch, one be on the floor, like whatever. I'd ordered an Anichi velour. Yeah, Anichi, it was red. And I probably told this story before about how me and my other homeboy, we had the velours and he had the terry cloth and the chick kind of played him like, okay, I see they got velours, but you got beach towel. But really, his joint was, it was the number one, it was the most expensive, and it was the flyest. You know, that joint fly, you know what I'm saying? Like it was Fubu Platinum, but Fubu Platinum was it at the time.
Fubu.
I feel stupid talking about this, but anyway, yeah, so yeah, nah. So what happened was, I rocked mine on like a Wednesday, because that's when most people was gonna be at the student center, and I think there was a game that night. Was it? I think that was, no, well, yeah, whatever. It was a game that night, but I think somebody else had that joint. So what I did was, I had left the tags in it anyway, because I ain't really like to take stuff back. Remember I told you about those Timbs? I ain't like to take stuff back, because I ain't really want people to be like, you know, like, so I have you take it back for me, you know? I didn't have the receipt, so he came back, he was like, oh, they said that they was gonna mail a check to the crib. So I was like, all right, got rocked. But the time was going a little too, yeah, it was kind of like days turned to a week. You know, it was long enough. Pause. We go up to Macy's or whatever the spot was, and we're upstairs, like in the front office or some shit. And I'm like,
I gave you the product, give me my money.
So the lady was like, nah, something about the check, now we'll release it again. But since he bought it back, it's got to go to him. All right, cool. So at the time I'm like, all right, cool, damn, hurry up, you know, do it. I let another week go by. So what I did was, I think I asked him at school, no, boom, stop.
Have a time.
Boy stopped kicking it with us for around that time. It kind of like a little riff happened or something.
Wow, how convenient is fucking that?
I asked him at the student center. I see him at the student. I like, yo, that check come? And he just shook his head. No. I was like, all right. So what I did when I got to the crib, got my mom's crib, I called the store and I was like, yo, you know, the check. She like, yeah, it's been mailed and cash. So what I did was I called boy. I was like, he stayed right in front of my mother. I was like, hey, where you at? You at the crib? He said, yeah. All right, cool. I'm coming to scoop you. We're gonna go cash that check. He said, oh, nah, that check ain't come yet. I ain't got it. I said, well then, we're about to go up to Macy's right now and you gonna cuss that lady out. So what I did was pulled up to my crib, got out, went to like the garage, grabbed my little T-ball bat, you know what I'm saying, the metal one, and just was, you know, not thinking like, I want my 180, you know what I'm saying? Like, where, like, I just don't think ready to get convicted, you know what I'm saying, over a $180. You see how, you know, that train of thought?
You have to think, young brother, about your future.
Rang his doorbell.
I'll get it.
Ridiculous. Damn, what took you so
how long?
My mother was at the crib for some reason, and she calling me like, yo, get back, like, get back in here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of tight. I get to the crib and I'm tight, and I think my mom had prepared me something to eat or something. So I'm chilling. He come. He knew my mom was there. So he explained his bullshit story. So then he's explaining like, yeah, no, I got this job, you know what I'm saying? And I'll just pay you, you know. So in my head, I'm like, bitch, if you ain't spending, why you pay? But I said, okay, no problem. This is where the mochas come into play. Let's fast forward all that. All right, cool. You ain't kicking it. You ain't at the crib no more, so cool. All your gear, well, that little bullshit that you call gear, it's mine now. Mine. I don't want it. I'ma sell it. The mochas, I sold them probably for like 50 bucks. His Jordan something. He had like a swingman. Sold it to this cat named D. DVDs that was at the crib that I knew that was your mother's, those are mine. Those were mine, you know? Like, you're playing me. So yeah, no, I didn't like the mochas, and every time I think about those mocha joints, that's what I think of. Like, him with the joints, him not rocking it right, and him fucking it up. But anyway, man, F all that. If y'all still here, thank you. What we're gonna do is get into this unboxing. I can't even do no wavy magic, man. Let's just, that's one, that's two, and that's three. 3 joints, boy. I gotta make that cool, what's it called? Thumbnail.
I'll give you the benefit of that there. He was a little overzealous.
Nah, I'm just playing. Anyway, yo, we start with a small joint first. Boom. Put this over here. All right, so how I got this joint was really, it's some of my girl stuff up in here. But when I was there, I seen that they had a men's line. I'm like, all right, and I seen some of the prices. I was like, oh, okay. And I saw that, I'll show you what I saw there. I ain't gonna pull out her joints though, but yeah. That little meme about when the Fashion Nova package comes and your man like,
Anything come for me?
That was me, that's what I think about the whole time. Fashion Nova. First up, got this plaid joint right here, size large. I have not tried these on or anything, but let's see. Oh man, yeah, I like the feel. This is like real, let's see the size. It's like a navy blue, white. I see a little Carolina blue up in it, FUBU blue. I see some FUBU blue up in here. And got the red, got some red stripes going through them. Check it out again, boom. Yeah, it's joint straight, and it's good for this time of the year. Word, so bam. Now this is what I wanted. This is what I've been wanting for the longest time. I haven't been able to find one. I think about 2 years ago, I wanted this joint split with split navy royal and red, but it ain't happen like that. But yeah, hell yeah, y'all. I've been wanting one of these. Some of that Effectus over there, you already know, man. Yeah, I've been wanting this. You already know, man. Me matchy. Oh, these are going with the what is it? The royal ones. Hell yeah. What y'all think? And oh, the price. My bad. Damn. I got it at
They go that early, nigga.
Black Friday. Yeah, I'm just opening them now. I think it was 40% off, $24.99. Matter of fact, it was 40% off, $24.99. So, you know, I'm bad with math, so y'all gonna have to do that. So anyway, this package right here is from Effectus Clothing. Got another little story to tell.
Ain't nobody trying to hear that bullshit, man.
I think this is the gear that went to the, damn. I'm gonna have to put this up there, because I didn't cop them, but it's the gear that went for it. Who's pulling up to the Christmas party? Who's pulling up to the Christmas party? Word. When I pull up on the scene, Kane looking smooth out there. What is this, Lord? Hell yeah. Yes. But the one that I really want is, you know, they ain't still in there probably, but yo, I know. Boom. Everybody eats. It's like it's killing me. I know what these joints went for. It's like I want to say the, I'm just playing. When I had the shirt up, I was looking. You see how, yo, we trying to fool y'all. Now they the 12 Raging Bulls, whatever, but they're not. The Raging Bulls are the 5s, but those red 12s that drop. When I pull up on the scene again. Next up, a white tee is a white tee. You already know, back up off the wall like, so what? I don't know. These are for the 3s, money in the bag right there. Y'all remember that scene? Y'all remember that scene? I ended up really changing my mind on those damn 3s. I need those in the damn, yo, you gotta get them from the outlet. Cause I peeped them, I was like, nah, no thank you. But I still got that chlorophyll ones, you know, so I'm good. Gotta get the cash, gotta get the dough. Yo man, I appreciate this, man. I'm gonna tell y'all about this in a second. Y'all be like, all right. Big business ballers. Another T for the 12s. Good living, get cream. My mind on my money. This is the one I wanted right here. Boom. Everybody eats. That's the joint I wanted right here, man. This is the joint I wanted. I think this line came out around the time that the Jordan 3s came out. Let's just say November. I never got the joint. I seen a young lady post on IG and she had this joint already. So I was, hey, you see me? I'm hating, like, you know what I'm saying? Nah. So I was like,
Which you a fake?
okay, you know what I'm saying? I didn't get that. I was like, damn, that's joint fly. I knew that the 3 joint came out. I was like, all right. So I just I was like, damn, you know, got it before me, you know, but it was directed to her, all jokes, you know what I'm saying? But like French Montana said, every little joke, there's some truth to it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm chilling. I would never like, you know, hit up.
Oh, God, look invisible, nigga.
Technically, I could have sat this out. I got so much Effectus gear, it's crazy. My man had commented under my page, like, yo, that everybody eats joint is crazy. And I still didn't have it at this time, so I'm like, yeah, it is. It is crazy. You know what I'm saying? It is crazy, and I want this joint. Effectus hit me up, and he was like, I got the package for you on the way. Pause. I was like, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? We back on, feeling good. I'm like, hell yeah.
Spit it out.
The Concord shit.
Oh, did I say shit?
That's why I didn't think I was getting that jacket, cause you know, I was like, damn, you know, I set this one out. And so anyway, then Effectus hit me up. Make a long story short, they sent this out. UPS, US Postal Service, did not leave a note on my door, so I ain't know to go pick it up. So this whole time I'm sitting there looking like boy off belly, you know what I'm saying? That I ain't get this Everybody Eats hoodie. It really did come in, but it was on USPS. So yo, shout out to Effectus, man. Always holding me down with the gear, man, for real. Like, word up. Oh, matter of fact, yeah, you know, boom, Effectus clothing. Use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. Moving on. All right, so this box right here is from Mitchell and Ness. I ordered this on Black Friday. I didn't get this until last Monday. That's why I'm like, got so much gear. It looked like it's so much, but it wasn't really. Technically, this would have came last month. And all that just had that, so, you know, bear with me, but it's all good. That's some good problems, right? So first off, boom. Got that. I don't know, y'all can really see that, yeah. Got this New York Knicks cap. Now, does it look like I would go out of my way to purchase a cap like this? No, this cap came free. All right, see how it is. First draft pick from the Knicks, you know what I'm saying? Barely. First jersey I copped. Yeah, I know, brother. Everything was like 40% off, so let's see, it was 40% off of a $130. Math is bad? I don't know, you know what I'm saying? You should still recording, all right, cool, boom. Yeah, that Bernard King joint, number 30, New York Knicks. King on the back, 1982 to 83. Man, I can't, let me see, boy, no. Let me know, check this out, let's do something right quick. I know this is off. Yo, I don't know. Yo, check this out. Nah, but see, the thing is, I want to get it's this fitted that I want to get for this. But let me know right quick. Probably throw the hoodie too. Boom, check it out. That's it? Let me know that's it. Zach, he'll know that's it. Check it out. Let me know that that's it. You know what I'm saying? Shit just come to me. But anyway, boom. Got the Colorado Rockies. Oh yeah, this is size large. This joint's size large. This is size extra large, right? Shit. Colorado Rockies. Number 3. I forget who boy is, like Dale something, I forget. But yeah, it was out of this or the Chicago White Sox for these. And it was like, you know what I'm saying? It was hard because I wanted that Chicago White Sox because, you know, Bo Jackson. But I decided just to go ahead and go with the Rockies joint. You know what I'm saying? Throw it up underneath the jacket. I gotta rock that jacket. I really wanna rock that jacket like before I go to DR. But yo, I've been wanting this jersey for the longest, bro, for real. Boy, this is like my childhood. This bring me back to the MC Hammer days. Pick up the hammer, you know? Yo, like that Oakland A's, huh? With the fresh constructs? Stop it. You already know what this is, Ricky Henderson. Check it out, check it out, check it out now. Hell yeah. So I gotta give me the A's fitted. Now check this out. Oh, this is what I'm gonna ask y'all. Do y'all like these snapbacks? I'm gonna post them up there. Let me know out of the Oakland Athletic joints which one you like. I know which one I'm gonna go with the Rockies. I kind of do with the A's, but I don't know. The regular is always an option. I don't just want the regular Colorado Rockies joint. That joint's like a snooze. But yo, so boom. So I'm on my gear right here. You know what I'm saying? Whew. Damn. Now I just need some sneakers to rock with them, right? Nah. But anyway, yo, I'd like to thank everybody that's been rocking with me. If you put up with these stories, hit me up with 300 likes.
Nah, we ain't gonna do no such a thing.
All right, yo, so everybody be safe this holiday season, for real. Don't drink and drive at all. Get you an Uber. Number one, that shit is dangerous. That shit is dumb dangerous. You don't wanna get injured, and you damn sure don't wanna get a ticket. So that little $25 Uber is better than $1,200 on the lawyer and your insurance going up. So I'm gonna just leave it at that. But anyway, appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. Everybody that's been commenting, supporting, all that. I do appreciate it, man, for real. You already know. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be.
Oh my God!
That's Snups. It's your boy Wavy, you already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.